Hi guys, Steve here, Stevie boy. Do you remember, it's a bit ago now, sorry, it's quite a bit ago. You know, I should think about what I'm going to say before I say it, shouldn't I? It'd make life a lot easier. Right, a few blogs ago, I bought the Acer Chromebook, if you remember, and I just couldn't get my head around how to use it. And then I said I was going to look at the Apple MacBook. Expensive, can't afford it, but hey, I did it. I went and got one, but I got a fantastic deal off somebody who I know who was selling it second hand, and it was too good a deal not to take. So here we are. The MacBook M1 Air. It's absolutely awesome. It is really good. It's getting used to it, but it's absolutely fantastic. That's the old laptop. It's running very slow. It's just about had it. I can't get any more RAM onto it to help it along the way, but it's just running too slow. But I've had it 6 years, maybe 7 years. I've had it, yeah, 6 years probably, and still got the MacBook. The MacBook's good. I can't knock it at all. Quality of that picture, the screen is absolutely awesome, and it's quick. Look at that, just downloads straight away. That's really quick. But the MacBook is quicker. That's the tablet. But that is so quick, it's unbelievable. And it's got a built-in editing, iMovies, so you can edit videos. And I've done the first one, little short video where I made quite a lot of mistakes, but I got there eventually. In fact, I made a lot of mistakes. I had no idea what I was doing. Hence, I've got the tablet there, and I'm watching on YouTube how to do it, and then I'm stopping the tablet, doing what I need to do, going back to the tablet, and I'm like that. But I got there, so I'm dead chuffed about it. Now the other one is last night in YouTube Studio. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of music what you can use, and I downloaded one. I made a file to download music to put into the file. Now, if you all know me, I am not computer savvy at all. I am useless with computers. So I didn't know where it went. I had no idea. Well, I went to bed and I was on the tablet last night and trying to find out what happened, where's it gone. So this morning, it's Monday today, by the way. I don't know what date it is. Oh, the 5th. It's the 5th of December. So I've no idea when you're going to see this video. Might be at Christmas time. 20 days time. Oh dear. I should wish you Merry Christmas now, shouldn't I? Anyway, back to the story. This morning I was playing about with it again, and I went to the downloads, and so it was in downloads, and then I went to the music, and it was in the music. It was there. I clicked on that and it was inside there. So from there, I could then drag it. There we go. I could drag it into the YouTube music. But I don't know how it got there. So I'll just play about with it a bit more and find out. Now, one thing I know I do need for this, for the Mac, there's only 8GB of RAM. To get 16GB, it's crazy. The money is crazy to buy it. It's just unbelievable. But I've been informed I can get an external hard drive, basically, and I can download everything from the GoPro into the external hard drive. I can put the music into the external hard drive, and I can also put the app, the iMovies app, into the hard drive. So that'll free up any memory that I'm taking out of the laptop, because it'll all be in the external one. So I'm going to go see one of my friends tomorrow and talk to him which one will be the best one to buy, and I'll get it ordered. I don't know how to set it up. He'll have to show me how to do that. But I have watched that on YouTube as well. YouTube's a marvellous machine. You can find out everything on there and how to do things. So that's my intention. I get an hard drive and it'll save the memory on the laptop, which I think that's a good idea, basically. More expense, but it's a good idea. But having said that, guys, like I say, I am happy with it. Totally happy. It does everything. It does absolutely everything. Let's put that back up there. Let me just show you. You click onto there, YouTube Studio. And then the audio library. The audio library there, and I clicked on something wrong there. What did I do? Audio library. Hang on. Stephen's done something wrong again. Like I say, I'm still playing with it. There we are. I didn't click it hard enough. I know I don't want customization, do I? Now I need to come out of that. I clicked on the wrong thing. I clicked on that, customization. No thank you. Why did I do that? Come out, Stevie boy. Go up there. Let's try that again. YouTube. YouTube Studio. Audio library. See, I'm still getting used to it, guys. And look what you got, all that music, all sorts to choose from. It's awesome. So you can download that and use it, no problems at all. So I'm happy with it, very happy. Like I say, it's a big learning curve because I've always used the Windows. So it's a big learning curve for me. But I will get there eventually, I know I will. So, that's it guys. Just a quick video there. I think my grandkids, connect to the internet, I'm not connected. There we are. So, God knows what that was. No idea what that was. Right, cheers guys. Thanks for watching anyway. There'll be updates of when I'm using it. You've already seen the mistakes I'm going to make once or twice along the way, which is nothing I can do about that. So it's a learning curve. Like I say, you've got the YouTube to help you along the way, which you can't go wrong, can you? Ah dear. And who's ready for Christmas? Hey, it's not far away, 20 days time. Right, one thing I forgot to say. As you can see there, it's only got the two C ports. There's no other ports on the MacBook. So I also got this, which it's got everything onto it. It's got the C port for charging, it's got the USBs, the C port, and it's got the card reader, or you can just put the SD card in. Another one there, and that just clicks in there. Now that just clicks in onto into those two C ports and becomes part of the laptop, of course. And what I did to just download the GoPros, I just connected it into the USB, into the GoPro, and instantly onto the screen. So, just forgot to mention about that. I'm impressed. I've just got a big smile. I've just got a big smile on my face, and fingers crossed I can get used to working it. I'm sure I will.